All right, man. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the Daily Money Market. You are actually with me, Che Yusuf. It's another one-day trade analysis. We want to just to analyze what's going to happen this week and as well as what's going to happen today and tomorrow and the end of the week. Of course, we're going to go through in terms of high impact volatility that are coming today and tomorrow, and so that we can prepare ourselves for the two last trading days of the week. Yeah, you are with me, Che Yusuf. Don't forget to actually subscribe, and as well as there's a link on the description if you want to open a trading account. I will be able to assist you. If you DM me, I'll be able to assist you in terms of help you with the market setup, helping you with the market analysis to let you start going with your trading journey. So for now, let's recap what happened last week in terms. All right, man. So when it comes to a week before, it's been really, really interesting in terms of since after Jeremy Powell, president of United States Federal Reserve, announcing a 50 basis point cut. At the same time, we also saw when it comes to South Africa. Again, announcing a 25 basis point cut when it comes to Reserve Bank of South Africa. There was a chair, the Risesha Khanyago. So that what actually happened last week when it comes to a biggest story to be a such. It moves on until the earnings seasons have started. So we saw a couple of companies dropping the earnings. That is why the stock itself is started depreciating. Is because of the earnings that have been actually started. So in terms of the calendar, we are this week we are preparing to get to the NFP. That's the biggest one. That's the biggest one in terms of trading non-farm payroll. So it will be a first NFP before, I mean after a Federal Reserve cut the interest rate with 50% basis points. So we're gonna see how the labor is gonna react in terms of that, and if it's gonna be positive or not. But although the S&P 500 says this gives me a confidence that the S&P 500 has the ability to reach 6,000 mark before the end of the year. So that's what it comes when it comes to S&P 500. But right now, S&P 500 is depreciating when it comes to stock market at particular time. We also saw Nvidia, releasing the earnings, not that much good in terms of expectations, and then the results we actually see a lot of stocks again starting pushing the price all the way down. But PMLCO says as well the outlook for the US remains solid, with the growth still suggesting a remote probability of a hard landing. So still we're talking about the hard landing, but again I just hate the analysis saying it doesn't matter in terms of hard landing or soft landing, because of the labor is going to produce a very, very good results when it comes to NFP. So from there, then the confidence will start growing, and then from the following month, we're going to start again receiving another interest rate cut when it comes to Federal Reserve. So that's actually what happened, last week. And all right, cool stuff. I'm not sure if it's the audio actually showing, but when it comes to right now, we're looking at the S&P 500. Remember the article that we see, the anticipation is to get to actually 6,000 as a new record. But for now, because of the been a lot of things happening in terms of the earnings like Nvidia and some other instrument, that is why I'm saying it's gonna retest a little bit, just a retest here. But this is the bearish movement that people can take advantage and all the way to take profit of 5,711. So there's a couple of instruments as well. We're looking at NZD Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar. Again, I'm anticipating a depreciation of Australian dollar to get to maybe 1.08970 as a take profit, and it can break and go to the take profit number 2 there. New Zealand dollar versus US, same thing. I'm anticipating to be a bearish a little bit, a dollar to lose a little bit of to gain a little bit of momentum, push the price to 0.6267. That's what. But again, UK 100 it's a buy position from this stop loss that I put it. Once from here, it will start now changing the direction and going all the way to a take profit of 8327, 8327 there. This can be the first TP. Also, this can be the first TP. Once it breaks, then we know it getting to this level. But a buy position, clearly a buy position when it comes to there. What about gold? Gold, not that much, but we're still anticipating a little bit of stability, a little bit stronger, when it comes to gold, maybe to gain a little bit to the position of 2666. Once it breaks there, then it's looking at 2688. That's what I'm thinking between today, tomorrow, and then we want to see how NFP, the market, is actually looking. What other instrument that a lot of people like to check it out? NAS 100. It's been a crazy story, but I think it will depreciate to get to 19,809. 19,809, a short trade there. Right now, of course, it's just a retest, but it will break and get to this level. Maybe let me just highlight. This is the TP that we're looking for. Comes here, break this zone. Breaks this zone, pushes the volatility to this area, to this at the moment. So thank you very much for actually watching the video, and again share with other guys so that they can know what's going on in terms of the market and at the moment. And yeah, don't forget, there's a link on description. Please, if you want to open up an account, click that link and then you can open up an account. If you want me to assist you, you can always DM me. I'll be able to assist, maybe to add you also on a setup, a market setup group or market analysis group, where you can get a little bit of more information on a daily basis. So